Hello everyone, my name is Sutapa Satra. I am going to explain how to find out chromatic polynomial using decomposition technique. So here this is the graph which is given with 5 vertices. First step is to find out any two non-adjacent vertices. So here this vertex and as we can see from this figure, this vertex, these two vertices are non-adjacent because they have no connectivity. So the next step will be that we will decompose the graph into two graphs. In the first graph we will connect the two non-adjacent vertices, and in the second graph we will fuse the two non-adjacent vertices, and because of this fusing the other two adjacent edges will be disappeared. So this is how we will decompose a graph. Now here we can see that this G double dash graph becomes complete graph with 4 vertices, but G dash is not. So we need to repeat the process as in step 1 and step 2. So here in step 3 you can see that another two vertices, this one and this one, these two vertices are non-adjacent because they have no direct connectivity. So we need to repeat the process in step 2. Add these two non-adjacent vertices, and in the second component fuse these two non-adjacent vertices, and corresponding these 4 adjacent edges will disappear. So here we get that G1 dash and G2 dash, these are two decomposition from G dash which are complete graph with 5 vertices and 4 vertices. In G1 dash total 5 vertices, in G2 dash total 4 vertices are there. So no more decomposition we can make. Now we can write down the decomposition theorem for chromatic polynomial as in this form. Chromatic polynomial of G is equal to G has decomposed in G dash and G double dash. Then in the next step, chromatic polynomial of G dash has been decomposed into G1 dash and G2 dash. Now for this part, chromatic polynomial of G1 dash, this is a graph with 5 vertices, complete graph. So as we know the chromatic polynomial formula for complete graph in this form, so here we will write down this form, and G2 dash and G double dash, these two are complete graph with 4 vertices, so we will get this formula. Okay, so the last slide. We will get this formula. So chromatic polynomial of this graph is this one. Now here from this polynomial you can easily see that for lambda is equal to 3, this polynomial value will be 0. So the chromatic number of the given graph is 3. Thank you.